Hello, Happy New Year! I hope you guys are doing well. The Christmas is done. I hope you guys had a really good Christmas. I really had a quite good Christmas. And now is New Year. Finally, this 2020 is going to end, and I'm so happy. Okay, stop blurring and now start go to the video. Today I did something really cool to story, so I hope you guys are going to like it. And if you do, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the link bell, and also you can follow me on my Insta and Facebook. Now let's go. So I'm starting with a clean face, and this is Winter's moisturizer is mask. I'm using a moisturizer from Simple. Ready? 1, 2, 3. My eyebrow is done. So if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, you have a tutorial, go and check it. I'm going to put it in the description box. And now I'm setting my eyes for the eye makeup with concealer. I mean not eyes, eyelid. Today I'm using a non-branded eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is not the important thing, the eyeshadow is the important thing. So now I'm taking this grey tone eyeshadow and using it as my transition shade. I'm doing the same on my other eye. When I'm feeling that I'm satisfied with the blending, I'm moving to the second transition color, that dark grey color. I'm darkening my crease with that. I'm taking a black eyeshadow and putting it in my outer corner. I'm really precisely doing it. I don't want to get it so much on the inner side, so I'm trying to keep it on the outer side of my eye. I'm taking a small brush and really precisely darkening my crease with the black eyeshadow. I'm taking a glitter with a small brush, but then I thought it's not going to be good. I need to do first a silver eyeshadow. So I'm taking a silver shimmer shadow from RoxxsaurusColourBrusteyeshadow Palette and putting on my eyelid. Now I'm putting the glitter on top, and I'm doing the same thing on my other eye. Now I'm darkening my outer corner with the black eyeshadow and blending it so there is no harsh line. Now I'm blinding my eye with the winter eyeliner. Let's move to the face. Because it's winter, I told you, so moisturizing primer is must. For the foundation, I'm taking Milani 2-in-1 foundation and blending it with a beauty blender. For my concealer, I'm taking Maybelline H2 concealer and putting it in my under eye, forehead and mascara, because I did know it, right? I do it every single color. For setting the concealer, I'm using double-sided Banana loose powder. Now remember it because it's winter, so this is already dry, so I'm not setting my full face. I'm already setting the concealer. For the contour, I'm taking Technic powder and contouring my usual area of my cheek, my forehead, and my chocolate lines, also nice. The brush, I'm taking Wet n Wild this brush and brush, not brush. Let's finish the eye makeup. I'm taking a black eyeshadow first for my under eye. Then I'm taking the grey color eyeshadow and blending it with the black eyeshadow. Now I'm blending my waterline with a black gel liner. For lip, I'm taking my lip pencil first, and after that, I'm taking this nude color lipstick but I was wanted to a little more cool tone, so I'm using a non-branded lipstick. I'm really sorry for that, but the color is really pretty. Tell me if you know which brand I can find the color. How does it be the highlighter? For the highlighting, I'm taking this highlighter as highlighter shade. I'm full of a mess. I'm taking this highlighter and for my cheek and also for my inner corner and bottom. Yes, and I decided to put the eyelashes on even I didn't coat my lashes with mascara. And the funny fact, you know one thing? When I remember it, when I going to sleep, yeah, I mean I film it, I train it, and then I remember that I didn't do my mascara and my eyelashes. Wow. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Probably what you want to see next time. And Happy New Year again, because this 2020 was a curse on us. So yeah, and this campaign, I'm telling you guys. I think you guys will. See you soon on my next video, and till then, take care. Bye bye.